唔知二世祖英文係乜嘢啊？仲有話人哋好有錢同埋好大使，英文又可以點講呢？陣間話你知。Netflix 啱啱推出咗一套片長只有37分鐘嘅電影《The Wonderful Story of Henry Sugar》，入邊有好多同錢有關嘅用字，我哋一齊睇下。呢套電影係改編自英國作家 Roald Dahl 嘅短篇小說，佢寫過好多好暢銷嘅作品，包括《Charlie and the Chocolate Factory》、Matilda 同埋《The BFG》。就算你冇睇過佢嘅書，都可能有睇過佢嘅改編電影。呢套戲由 Benedict Cumberbatch 主演，我好中意佢之前演嘅 Sherlock， 你哋有冇睇過啊？而呢個角色 Henry Sugar， 佢發現咗呢個世界上面有個人可以蒙住眼都可以睇到嘢，佢就去鑽研呢一樣絕技，希望可以喺賭場度贏好多嘅錢。之後嘅劇情發展就留翻俾你自己睇啦。作者喺故事嘅開頭描述 Henry 係好有錢嘅，有錢除咗 rich， 仲有啲咩字可以用呢？除咗好有錢，佢又好大使，好大使嘅英文又係乜嘢呢？而除咗好有錢同好大使，我哋仲會睇下佢嘅人品係點樣嘅。呢個人含住金鎖匙出世㗎。He was wealthy because he had a rich father who was now dead。佢好有錢係因為佢有個好有錢嘅爸爸，而爸爸而家已經唔喺度啦，即係爸爸啲錢俾晒佢。呢啲係爸爸留俾佢嘅遺產 （inheritance） 或者 inherited money。Wealthy 同 rich 嘅其他例句有 ：The wealthy businessman donated a large sum to a local children's hospital。嗰個好有錢嘅商人捐咗好大筆錢去附近嘅兒童醫院啊。She invested wisely and became rich。佢投資有道，所以而家發咗達啦。仲有其他形容人有錢嘅字嘅，包括 loaded 同埋 well off。He is so loaded that he can go on a luxurious vacation every year。佢有錢到年年都可以去旅行豪玩啊。Despite their earlier difficulties, they worked hard and are now well off。雖然佢哋以前好窮，但係佢哋肯捱肯做，而家終於守得雲開啦。咁點樣形容啲嘢好貴呢？小學嘅時候有學過 dear 同 expensive， 仲有咩字可以用呢？作者咁樣寫 ：He used a costly aftershave lotion on his face。佢用一支好貴嘅鬚後水。His upper front teeth had been kept at incredible expense。佢用咗好多錢嚟幫佢嘅上排門牙整咗個牙冠。He drove a Ferrari car which must have cost him about the same as a country cottage。佢揸嘅法拉利肯定成間鄉村屋仔咁貴啊。Cost someone something 係指花咗一個人幾多錢，直接講金額又得。The new iPhone cost him $10,000。部新 iPhone 成皮嘢啊。The engagement ring cost him about 2 months' salary。佢用咗大約2個月嘅人工嚟買隻求婚戒指。而講得抽象啲、誇張啲又得。His new hobby of photography is costing him a fortune。佢最近入咗坑玩相機，玩到傾家蕩產咁滯啊。The vintage jacket cost him an arm and a leg。佢買件復古褸貴到要賣腎咁滯啊。除咗形容 Henry Sugar 好有錢同埋用好多錢，我哋再睇多少少呢個二世祖嘅人品同埋生活係點㗎啦。He was unmarried because he was too selfish to share any of his money with a wife。佢冇結婚係因為佢太自私，一個崩都唔想分俾佢老婆。Henry had never done a day's work in his life。佢終日遊手好閒，不務正業。They are not particularly bad men, but they're not good men either。They're of no real importance. They're simply a part of the decoration。佢哋呢類人唔係特別差，又唔係特別好，其實真係冇乜重要性，就係好似擺喺度裝飾咁。好似好唔值得欣賞啊！嗬，但係故事發展落去 ，Henry Sugar 係會有啲轉變嘅。我覺得呢套戲拍得好好睇，內容好緊湊，好多表達方式都好有創意。如果你未睇嘅話，快啲去睇啊！睇完套戲，我而家開始緊睇呢本《The Wonderful Story of Henry Sugar and Six More》。如果唔想睇書，都可以喺 YouTube 度揾到 audiobook， 有啲會 show 埋啲文字出嚟，俾你一路聽一路睇。如果想學好英文，一定要多聽多睇。總會有一種方法啱你嘅。最後，唔好走住。究竟二世祖嘅英文係乜嘢呢？有啲人會譯做 second generation rich， 但係呢個字眼唔係源於英文世界嘅。用英文可以叫呢一類人做 trust fund baby。而頭先講過嘅含住金鎖匙出世，用英文可以講 born with a silver spoon， 唔係 born with a gold key 啊。今日分享住咁多，我係 Angie， 下次見。